Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant concept discussed in tech conferences. It is now a real force actively reshaping the American economy, workforce, and everyday life. In 2026, thousands of jobs across the United States have already been impacted by rapid AI adoption. And experts warn that this is only the beginning of a much larger transformation that will redefine how people work, earn, and build careers. Across industries such as customer service, data entry, marketing, finance, healthcare administration, logistics, retail, and even software development, companies are increasingly relying on AI-powered systems to reduce costs, increase efficiency, and operate 24/7 without human limitations. Chatbots are replacing call center agents. AI tools are writing marketing content. Automated systems are handling accounting tasks, and machine learning algorithms are analyzing data faster than entire teams of analysts. For many American workers, this shift is both exciting and unsettling. On one hand, businesses are becoming more productive and innovative than ever before. On the other hand, traditional roles that once provided stable middle-class incomes are being reduced, restructured, or eliminated entirely. Major corporations across the United States are openly investing billions of dollars into AI infrastructure, signaling a long-term commitment to automation over manual labor in many sectors. One of the most important questions being asked today is, which jobs are most at risk? Repetitive, rule-based, and predictable tasks are the first to be automated. Jobs like data entry clerks, basic customer support representatives, telemarketers, junior content writers, and administrative assistants are already seeing significant disruption. Even more advanced roles in legal research, financial analysis, and software coding are experiencing partial automation through AI copilots and generative systems. However, this transformation is not only about job loss, it is also about job evolution. New roles are emerging in AI supervision, prompt engineering, data training, machine learning ethics, AI security, and system management. The challenge for American workers is not just to survive this shift, but to adapt quickly enough to remain relevant in a rapidly changing labor market. Economists in the United States believe that AI will create a skills divide, where workers who adapt to technology thrive, while those who do not may struggle to find stable employment. This is why education, reskilling, and digital literacy are becoming more important than ever. Schools, universities, and online platforms are already updating their curricula to prepare students for an AI-driven economy. At the same time, businesses are benefiting from unprecedented efficiency. Tasks that once took hours or even days can now be completed in minutes. Companies are using AI to optimize supply chains, predict consumer behavior, and make faster business decisions. This increased productivity is reshaping competition across industries, forcing even small businesses to adopt AI tools just to stay relevant. Despite the concerns, experts emphasize that AI is not simply taking all jobs away, it is transforming the nature of work itself. Just as the Industrial Revolution replaced manual labor with machines, the AI revolution is replacing certain cognitive tasks with intelligent systems. History shows that technological revolutions often eliminate some jobs while creating entirely new industries that were previously unimaginable. For American workers, the key takeaway is clear. Adaptation is essential. Those who learn to work alongside AI tools, rather than compete against them, will likely have a significant advantage in the coming years. Skills like critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and AI collaboration will become more valuable than routine task execution. This video explores the full reality of AI-driven job disruption in the United States. What is happening right now, which industries are affected the most, and what the future of work could look like in the next decade. Whether you are an employee, student, entrepreneur, or business owner, understanding this shift is crucial to staying ahead in an AI-powered world. The AI revolution is not coming. It is already here, and America is at the center of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.